Best 10 Workplaces here in the Philippines as of 2023. That's a topic we'll be tackling here today, and I'm Engineer Morgan Sai of the Ilocano Defenders. So the data comes from greatplacestotwork.com, and the ranking comes in at number 10, 24/7 Customer Philippines Inc., located at Taguig City, Philippines. And at number 9 would be Asurion, also located in Taguig City in the Philippines. Coming in at number 8 would be CGI Philippines Inc., also located in Taguig City, Philippines. Coming in at number 7 would be Genpact Philippines, located in Muntinlupa City, Philippines. Coming in at number 6 would be American Express International Inc., located in Taguig City, Philippines. Coming in at number 5 would be in Pasig City, Teleperformance Philippines. And coming in at number 4 would be located also in Taguig City, it's Procter & Gamble Philippines Inc. Coming in at number 3 would be located at Metro Manila, PSG Global Solutions Incorporated. And coming in at number 2 would be located in Mandaluyong City, would be Accenture Inc. And come at number 1, the best placed workplace here in the Philippines for large companies would be Synchrony Global Services Philippines Inc., which is all over Metro Manila in the Philippines. So those are the top 10 best workplaces for large companies here in the Philippines. And watch our next video for the best 10 workplaces for medium-sized companies here in the Philippines. Again, I am Engineer Morgan Sai of the Ilocano Defenders.